The impact of asteroids on our planet and human history is undeniable. While we've been lucky to not have had a major asteroid event in modern history, the Tunguska event in 1908 remains a reminder of the dangers of the celestial nuclear missiles to us. Astronomers always keep reassuring that there is no giant space rock in collision with Earth anytime soon. However, whenever there is news of large asteroids passing by Earth, many of us get nervous. Maybe that's why the US space agency NASA has launched its DART mission in collaboration with SpaceX. Dubbed as 2017 AE-3, the asteroid nearly twice the size of the Great Pyramid of Giza is heading towards Earth's orbit in late December, according to NASA's asteroid tracker. It has an estimated diameter ranging between 120 meters and 260 meters. For comparison, at its maximum estimated size, it would be near twice the size of the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt and is around 1.15 times the height of San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge. The asteroid 2017 AE-3 will fly past Earth on December 29 at a distance of 3.1 million kilometers at a speed of 19 kilometers per second. The asteroid 2017 AE-3 was detected on January 2, 2017. This near-Earth object belongs to the Apollo group. It makes one orbit around the Sun in 913 days. At this time, the asteroid moves away from the Sun at a maximum distance of 452 million kilometers and approaches it at a minimum distance of 99 million kilometers. NASA already clarified that we have nothing to worry about as far as these asteroids are concerned. In fact, at least for the next 100 years, there is no large space rock on a collision course with Earth. If you really like our video, feel free to support us with a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel Space Bites, and look forward to the videos that will be waiting for you in the future.